I'm playing the act of Romeo Montague.
I'm Claudine Magnair playing as the role of Juliet Capulet.
I'm Mary Jimenez, play as narrator. I'm Charissa Sabanilla, play Mary Lawrence and the nurse. I'm Iron Jess Everbispo, play as Irma. This is where King's close Romeo meet with Friar Lawrence to arrange the marriage, and Juliet confides in her nurse, who was basically raised her to act on her behalf and meet Romeo.
Friar Lawrence, please help me to arrange our marriage of Juliet quickly.
Oh, Romeo, why so quickly?
There's no time for us.
Okay, I'll help you. The nurse meets Romeo from her trousseau. Romeo tells her to get Juliet to Friar Lawrence, where the two will be married. Romeo! I'm here to tell you that Juliet wants to see you.
Me too, I have something to tell you. Can you please tell Juliet to come at Friar Lawrence's house?
But why?
Because me and Juliet will get married now.
Okay, I'll...
Thank you very much.
Meanwhile, another member of the Montague group runs into Talbot Capulet, who is angry about the Montagues crushing his family party the other night. Romeo Percy marriage strolls in the middle of the tense situation, and as King is late, Talbot is Mercutio.
Hey, Tybalt, why did you kill Mercutio? You're such a freak. Let's get up, fight with us. I will defeat you.
Okay, I will never let you. I will never surrender. Stricken by grief, Romeo turns challenge Tybalt to a duel and kills him. Romeo runs away before all of Verona shows up. The Prince of Verona rules that Romeo won't be killed, but banished from Verona. This all puts a damper on the new marriage.
Nice. What is the rumor that Romeo killed by Catherine?
Oh, Juliet, Romeo was sent away from Verona because he killed Tybalt.
No, he can't do that. I know him. Don't judge him.
He's totally sad about the death and murder. Mostly Juliet just wants to see her banished husband. Juliet, I found Romeo at Friar Lawrence.
Really? Bring me to him now. Hurry.
Then the nurse brings Juliet to Friar Lawrence house to spend their wedding night. Oh, Juliet, come inside. Romeo is here. I will make a plan for the both of you.
What's your plan?
I will make an idea to pardon the prince. But for the meanwhile, you can spend the night with Juliet.
Okay, she said.
But make it fast. Before the morning comes, you must run away.
Okay.
Then after that incident, the marriage will be public upon his return.